Hey there, my amazing friends. It's your favorite financial enthusiast, Green Waifu, back with another exciting topic that will help us on our journey to financial success. Today, I want to talk about something that can potentially supercharge our investment portfolios and put us on the path to building long-term wealth. Dividend stocks. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. But first, let's break it down. What exactly are dividend stocks? Well, think of them as the superheroes of the stock market. When you own shares of a dividend stock, you become a part owner of that company, and as a reward for being a loyal shareholder, the company shares a portion of its profits with you in the form of regular cash payments called dividends. It's like getting a paycheck just for being a smart investor. So, why are dividend stocks the best? Let me give you some awesome reasons. 1. Consistent income. Picture this. You invest in a dividend stock, and every few months, you receive a juicy dividend payment in your bank account. It's like having a money tree that keeps on giving. Dividend stocks provide a steady stream of income, which can be especially valuable for young entrepreneurs like us who are starting our financial journeys. Whether you use the dividends to cover your living expenses, reinvest them to buy more shares, or treat yourself to something special, it's an incredible feeling to have a consistent source of income that grows over time. 2. Growth and stability. Not only do dividend stocks provide income, but they also have the potential for growth and stability. Many companies that offer dividends are well established, financially sound, and have a history of increasing their dividends over time. Investing in these companies can provide a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that you're aligning your investments with strong, reliable businesses. Plus, the power of compounding kicks in when you reinvest your dividends back into buying more shares, allowing your investment to grow even faster. It's like a snowball effect, and it can work wonders for building long-term wealth. 3. Passive income. Now, this is the real magic of dividend stocks. The income you earn from dividends is considered passive income. What does that mean? It means you're making money while you sleep. While other people are trading their time for money, you're building a portfolio that generates income without requiring much effort from you. It's like having a side hustle that works on autopilot. By investing in dividend stocks, you're creating a passive income stream that can provide financial freedom and flexibility in the future. 4. Diversification. Diversification is a fancy word, but it's an important concept to understand. When you invest in dividend stocks, you have the opportunity to build a well-diversified portfolio. By investing in different companies across various sectors and industries, you spread out your risk. If one company experiences a setback, the impact on your overall portfolio is minimized because you have other companies working for you. Diversification helps protect your investments and allows you to participate in different areas of the market. It's like having a safety net that cushions any bumps along the way. 5. Reinvesting for growth. Remember when I mentioned reinvesting your dividends? Well, this is a game changer. When you reinvest your dividends back into buying more shares of the same company or different dividend stocks, you're harnessing the power of compounding. Over time, the number of shares you own increases, and as the dividends grow, so does your income. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering momentum and getting bigger and bigger. Reinvesting your dividends allows you to accelerate your wealth-building journey and take advantage of the power of compounding. Now you might be wondering, how do I get started with dividend investing? Well, I've got you covered. Here are a few steps to get you on the right track. 1. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power, my friends. Before diving into dividend investing, take the time to educate yourself. Read books, watch educational videos, and follow reputable financial resources to understand the ins and outs of dividend investing. It's important to have a solid foundation of knowledge before making investment decisions. 2. Set investment goals. What are your financial goals? Are you saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or perhaps early retirement? Define your investment goals and align them with your broader financial aspirations. Having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated on your dividend investing journey. 3. Research and choose dividend stocks. Now it's time to do some research and find dividend stocks that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Look for companies with a track record of consistently paying dividends and increasing them over time. Pay attention to key financial metrics, such as the dividend yield, payout ratio, and the company's financial health. Remember, diversification is key, so consider investing in different sectors and industries to spread out your risk. 4. Monitor and rebalance. Once you've built your dividend portfolio, it's important to monitor your investments regularly. Keep an eye on any news or updates related to the companies you've invested in. Adjust your portfolio as needed to maintain diversification and align with your investment goals. Market conditions and company performance can change over time, so staying informed and proactive is essential. 5. Patience and long-term thinking. Dividend investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience and a long-term perspective. Dividend stocks are meant to be held for the long haul, allowing the power of compounding to work its magic. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations or the temptation to chase after the next hot investment. Stay focused on your long-term goals and let time and the power of dividends do their thing. And there you have it, my friends. The pros of dividend investing and why it's a strategy worth considering on our journey to financial success. Dividend stocks offer consistent income, growth potential, and the opportunity to build a passive income stream. Remember to educate yourself, set clear goals, diversify your portfolio, and embrace the power of compounding through reinvestment. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Together, we'll navigate the exciting world of dividend investing and achieve our financial dreams. Until next time, stay motivated, stay curious, and keep growing your wealth. See you in my next video. Goodbye, everyone.